Good day, sir. So I am Lebron Angelo C. Aramil from BS Info 2B. So the first question is, what is multimedia? Multimedia is the use of different types of content like text, image, audio, or video, and animation to share information. Instead of you just reading words, or you can see pictures, watch videos, or listen to sound to understand a topic better. The second one is multimedia. Multimedia is important in education because it makes learning more interesting and easier to understand. It helps students stay focused, understand lessons faster, and remember information better by using visual and sound. And it also supports learning styles of students that can learn for the best. Thank you.
No. So, multimedia for me is, from the word itself, multi, ano siya, like, pinagsama-samang different kinds ng media. For example, yung audio, yung text, images, videos, pinagsasama-sama yung mga medias na yon para makabuo ka ng isang creative content. For example, sa mga PowerPoints presentation, Canva, sa videos or mga vlogs, ganon, doon mo ginagamit yung multimedia. And multimedia is also a form of communication na rin. Especially halimbawa sa mga vlogs, di ba? Like, pinapost yun on social media. Ganon. For me, that is multimedia. So, ano yung isa? What is the importance of multimedia in education? Yung importance ng multimedia in education, very important siya. Kasi yung multimedia, ginagamit siya talaga sa academics natin. Kagaya nga nung sinabi ko kanina, yung mga PowerPoint presentations. For example, may mga films na pinapagawa sa inyo, you also use multimedia in that. And yung mga audios nga, yun, sa audio ginagamit rin yun. Pag halimbawa, for example, may mga pa-project sa inyo ng musical things, ayun, gagamitin mo yung audio. Halimbawa, ano yung apps na yun? Ano yung apps? Basta may mga applications for that sa audios. What else? Ayun, mga Canva and so on.